Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company, and we're out here with a lovely GT550 Suzuki. As you can see, it's running. I'm just going to rev it up a bit and show you around. Thank you for watching, and if you fancy a go at winning this bike, you can go to theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. Tickets are $2.99, and this bike is on the site in September 2024. If it has gone, still check the website out, as we've got similar bikes on there. Lots of nice Japanese classics and British classics too. And if you do enter, thank you.